So we're asked to solve this when x equals 4, right? Y equals -2, and then z equals 5. And so what I'm going to do is wherever there's an x, I put a 4. Wherever there's a y, I'm going to put a -2 plus, over here I have x, which is 4, times z, which is 5, minus y, which is -2. Remember that you follow the formula. This is the minus sign here. This is the minus. What am I plugging in y? Y is negative. Okay, so we'll address that later. And then divided by y, which is -2. We're going to use, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay. And so there aren't really parentheses or work that I could do inside the parentheses, so I don't have to worry about that. There aren't any exponents. So now I'm doing math and division. So I'm going to multiplication and division. So what's 4 times -2? -8, right? So that's that one. Now over here, that's going to be added to, what's 4 times 5? +20. Now, technically, I'm going to multiply this -1 times -2, so I'm going to say +2. And then on the bottom, I've got -2. In the next line, in the very next line, I'm going to just drop that -8 down, plus, what is 20 plus 2? 22. Now, at this point, I've got math to do. There's no more multiplication. Each time I do a calculation, I have to go back and ask myself, is there parentheses, exponents? And I go down the list each time. I notice that this is kind of like a division problem, isn't it? All right. So I've got -8 plus, what's 22 divided by -2? -11. Now you can write it this way, or if you write it this way, this is fine too, -8 minus 11. What does that equal? -19. That's the final answer, -19. Now if you didn't get that, that means you made a mistake somewhere, okay? When we do these order of operations, it should always look like an upside down triangle, okay? It should always look like an upside down triangle or pyramid. I've heard people say pyramid because sometimes, it doesn't come to a complete point. We're just going to do one calculation.